I'll guide you through combining mobile data and Ethernet connections on your Android device using Speedify, so you'll have the reliability you need for calls, streams, and uploads without the usual dropouts. Make sure that you have an active mobile data connection on your Android device. Swipe down from the notification bar and check that mobile data is active. You can also do this by going to Settings and then Connections and make sure that mobile data is switched on. In order to use an Ethernet connection on your Android device, you'll need a compatible USB Ethernet adapter. Be sure to read the specifications to be sure it will work with your smartphone or tablet. Plug the adapter into your device and then use an Ethernet cable to connect it to your router or modem. Last but not least, if you haven't already, download and install Speedify either from our site at speedify.com or directly from the Google Play Store. Once running, Speedify will automatically detect all internet connections available to your device, including Wi-Fi, cellular, Ethernet, and satellite, and begin combining them for increased stability, speed, and security. If you want more control, Speedify also contains tools like priorities and rate limits to let you customize how and when your connections get used. Now, sometimes your available internet connections simply aren't fast or reliable enough for the task at hand, even when bonded together. What then? Well, Speedify has a powerful answer for that too. It's a feature called Pair and Share. With Pair and Share, you can easily share 4G and 5G cellular connections back and forth between multiple Speedify users on the same local network, securely, wirelessly, and automatically. The more people you pair with, the stronger and more resilient your internet becomes. And since it's part of Speedify's core architecture, it works cross-platform across all supported operating systems, including iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and Linux, as well as OpenWrt and powered by Speedify routers. Speedify takes the stress out of staying online, giving you a faster, more reliable connection you can count on. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more internet tips and tricks.